What's up, guys? Simon from SoCal Works. Today we're doing a little fire and ice here. I'm going to be attaching the flywheel to my Hyper9 motor. This is the conversion of my Porsche 912 to electric. Alright, what's up, guys? It's been a while since I've done a video. I was kind of away over the summer, but I'm back, and as you can see here, this coupler looks a little bit different from the last video. This is because it's a brand new coupler I got from EV West. So what happened was, in my last video I installed the coupler, but it wasn't deep enough. Unfortunately, I didn't put it all the way down to the spacer ring. And then we mounted the flywheel, we put the clutch, the pressure plate, and we tried to attach my motor to the transmission, and it was like a 1/4 inch gap. And so that was a problem, of course. And so the next problem, I had to remove my old coupler, which we did eventually, thanks to a 5-ton 3-claw puller, hydraulic puller from Harbor Freight. That thing is awesome. It did the job. I mean, 5 tons of force was able to rip that thing out. I hope you never have to do that. We had to heat it up a little bit, and then it eventually popped out. Unfortunately, the old coupler was made out of aluminum, wasn't very strong. I got it chipped and damaged, so here I am. I got the new coupler. It's a steel one. I actually had EV West Merit over at EV West installed it for me, so it looks super nice. You see it's flush there. Alright, so before I put it on, I'm just going to make sure my motor is standing level, and we see here that it is, so that when I put my flywheel on top, I can put the level on top of the flywheel and make sure it's seated level as well. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, this is a heat interference fit. So we're going to have to heat up the bottom of the flywheel a little bit. I got a propane tank here. Okay, just to kind of help the process, I'm just going to cool off the top of this coupler with a cool trick here. You get a rag. Okay. Nice rag on top, and you get some air duster from Staples. You flip it upside down and you spray it, and it's going to spray out some really cold liquid there. Took off that rag, put the flywheel on top, made sure all the holes are in alignment, and we got the level, so it looks like it's level and it's on there correctly. So now we're going to screw those in, and before we bolt them in, adding a little bit of Loctite as well. Straps here to kind of just hold the rotor flywheel in place, and then now I got my torque wrench here, and I'm going to tighten it to 28 or close to it.